Exclusive details from Sharm el-Sheikh ahead of the Cairo talks between Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and Pakistani Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani. Yusuf Raza Gilani spoke exclusively to Times Now and has said that Islamabad has a firm resolve to fight terrorism. Speaking exclusively to your channel, Yusuf Raza Gilani also said that Pakistan would not just attempt at curbing terror in Pakistan itself, but in the whole world. Remember, this particular statement coming in from the Pakistani Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani on the same day that we've been hearing several aggressive statements coming in from Islamabad. A short while back, the MOS External Affairs of Pakistan also spoke to Times Now and clearly brought out the Samjhauta blast link all over again. All this happening on a day when Pakistan has dropped the case against 26/11 mastermind Hafiz Saeed. Nandita Suneja, who's got that exclusive interview with the Pakistani Prime Minister, joins us from Sharm el-Sheikh live. Nandita, considering the aggression we have seen from Pakistan the whole day and over the past 10 days, did the Prime Minister of Pakistan seemingly change tone when he spoke with you?
Well, Maruf, what you have to notice is that when I asked him specifically about the Punjab government in Pakistan working for the release of Hafiz Saeed, he didn't exactly address that particular specific issue or that case. And what he said was a much larger statement. He said that we're opposed to terror and we're going to fight it wherever it emanates from Pakistan or any other part of the world. So it is diplomatic speech by the Pakistani Prime Minister who just arrived here in Sharm el-Sheikh. But we also managed to speak to a host of media persons from Pakistan who've traveled with the Pakistan contingent, who've spoken to the bureaucrats and politicians coming from Pakistan. And what they're telling us is that we shouldn't expect any breakthrough this time in this conversation, because what happened last month in Russia between the Pakistan President Zardari and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is something which is still fresh in the memory of the Pakistanis. It is something that still hurts them, and this time round, Pakistan may very well just give a fitting reply to India on that account. So clearly, as far as voices which may not be coming through on record, as far as those voices are concerned, the indication and the feelers that we get here, Maruk, is that these talks are not going to be exactly what India is expecting. It's not as if Pakistan is going to come down on the table and give them a list of things that they've done on Mumbai attack investigations. In fact, we also had a chance to speak to the Foreign Secretary from Pakistan, who said that it should be a win-win situation for both India and Pakistan. So expect some demands to be raised from their side as well.
Right. Also, Nandita, did the Pakistani Prime Minister give any indication of whether 26/11 was going to be on the agenda, considering that the last few times that the Pakistani ministry or the cabinet has spoken, it has definitely kept the focus on Samjhauta blast instead?
Well, Maruk, as far as the meeting agenda is concerned, what the Pakistan Prime Minister is saying, and as well as the Foreign Secretary who we spoke to at length, they say that it's not going to be a one-agenda meeting. Many issues have to be discussed. It is a way forward. It is a way to really form, to see where this entire peace process is going, and the trajectory, the path of this trajectory of the peace process has to be decided in this meeting that is going to take place in just a couple of hours from right now. So clearly, Pakistan, as far as Pakistan is concerned, it's not going to be only about Mumbai. So India will have to be prepared for that. If they expect some substantial, something substantial from the Pakistani side today in the meeting, we get a feeling that that's something that's not coming from Pakistan.
Right. Also, Nandita, very quickly, you're also reporting on the Foreign Secretary's meeting that is likely to happen in a few hours from now. Any indications coming from the Indian side as to what is likely to be on the agenda and whether they are going to bring up 26/11 and the case of Hafiz Saeed as well?
Well, Maruf, the Indian contingent, the Indian Prime Minister as well as the Foreign Secretary have not yet arrived here in Sharm el-Sheikh. Remember, they're coming via Paris for the French National Day. But we did manage to speak to the Foreign Minister yesterday, S.M. Krishna, who said that it was going to be about this meeting today between Foreign Secretaries. As far as India is concerned, it was going to be about what Pakistan has done to bring the perpetrators of the Mumbai attack. So that is the one-point agenda as far as tonight's meeting is concerned, and what comes out today is going to prove to be the groundwork for the Prime Minister's meeting on the 16th.
Nandita Suneja reporting from Sharm el-Sheikh, where that big meeting